Welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about more on string operations. In previous video we will learn escape sequence, type, string organization and how to add two strings together using plus operator. If you haven't seen that video, you can check I button or I will put a link of that video in the description. Let's take an example. Okay, you can see here the piece of code on my screen, and if I run this, then Python is going to say, "Hi Chetan, you are 20 years old." So in previous video we add space using plus operator. Instead you can do, if you have string in your program, then you can just add a space like this or like this. If I run this again, then you can see here the text is printed out perfectly, but not here. If I run this code, then Python is going to say, "Hi Chetan, you are 20 years old." If you have string in your piece of code, then you can use like this. You have to add just a space in quotes, so you will get result like this. You can also use plus operator to add space like we seen in previous video. So in previous video we seen this, but there is another option to, or another method to do same thing without using plus operator. This is called formatting string. So let's take an example on formatting string. With formatting string, all we need to do is add a f at the beginning. It is going to tell Python, hey, this is gonna be a format. Instead of all doing plus, we can simply do something like this. Okay, we are gonna add f at the beginning like this, and I'm gonna type some code. When you are using format, you have to use curly braces like this, and I'm gonna add the variable name in it, and I'm gonna again add a age in curly braces. Okay, we are done here. If I run this code, then Python is going to say, "Hi Chetan, you are 20 years old." Like, it is same like this piece of code, but instead of using lots of plus operators or plus sign, we use just f and some curly braces to do same thing. There is another method to do same thing, but we have to use format instead of f. Like, I'm gonna copy paste this one. I'm gonna remove this one and also the name of variable, and I will keep the curly braces. And what you have to do is that just add dot operator and type format and the name of variable like this and age. This name is for this first curly brace and this age for this second curly brace. If I run this code, you can see here this work same, but this is the old method we used to do in Python 2. You can do it, if you like this one you can do this one also, but it is the shorter way to do. I'm not gonna recommend this one. You can, if you want, you can use, but you can also use this one. Okay, I'm gonna show you some trick to do same thing using format. Instead of using empty curly braces, you can add 0 or for that braces and 1 for that curly braces. So it will tell Python, so this 0 is for name and this 1 is for age. And if I run this, it's gonna work same. You can see here the first one, the first output is for this line, and second one is for this, and third one is for this. It works same like other format methods, but we just added index numbers like 0, 1. 0 is for name and 1 is for age.